Let's divide 84 by 2. Her math adventurers. If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first divot of E4, we is at. Now we ask ourselves, how many terms does 2 fit into? Let's check, 4 times 2 is, it perfect. We subtract it from our first divot, it. So it minus it equals 0. Awesome, Dub. You're doing fantastic. We finished with the first divot. Let's move on to the next one. Ready for the next step? Let's bring down the next divot. Now we have 4 as our new number to divide. We're using this divot. How many terms does 2 fit into? 4. You got it, it's 2. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have Neramunda. Woohoo, you crushed that step. And that's it. We've used all the divots. The answer is 42. Said 84 Dove. Did but 2 is 42.
We did it. We learned how to divide E4 by 2 using our amazing long division skills. Remember, every step gets you closer to becoming a math whiz. Gret Bob, everyone, keep practicing and you'll be a division master in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.